Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to turn off RCS chat and switch to SMS in Google Messages. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services. They are like an upgraded version of SMS and it is pretty cool too. But if you still prefer the simple messaging concept, then we will see how to disable this. For the first method, if we have our smartphone with us, then we just have to open the Google Messages app and make sure it is updated to the latest version, and also make sure we are using the required Google account and phone number for this. Then we have to select our account profile picture at the top. Then at the bottom, we have this messages setting. Select that. Here at the top, go to General and here we will have the RCS chats. Select that. Now here we will have the option to disable this. Here it says use Wi-Fi or data for messaging when available. So we are going to disable this. We can see our SIM details here. We just have to toggle this off now. We will get this confirmation. Select turn off. That's all. You can't send or receive in group RCS chats at the moment. You will be removed from RCS groups chats after 30 days. We can also reset the network settings for this. We can go to the reset phone option and we will get the reset network and Bluetooth settings option. But do kindly remember all the paired Bluetooth devices and connected Wi-Fi networks will be deleted. We have to manually do all of them again. For the second method, if we don't have access to a smartphone or if it is lost or stolen, then we can open a web browser on our desktop and go to messages.google.com/disable-chat. We can go to this URL. And if we scroll down a bit, we will have this section, don't have your previous device. We can read all this. And on this page, we can enter our phone number. We can select the country code we want and we can enter the phone number and we will get a 6-digit verification code. We can enter that here and we can deactivate this using this website method. That's all. These are the steps to turn off RCS chat and switch to SMS in Google Messages. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.